Alright, decided to cook some beans today, just some white beans. I got some onions, garlic, and serrano chilies and jalapenos in here sauteing. We're done. Turn this off. Alright. Here's the beans. They're rinsed, they're clean, about 3 cups. And they're dry beans. I didn't pre-soak them, I just cleaned them. About 3 cups. We've got 4 cups of water here with some of this better than bouillon or whatever. Decided to try this here. Put a little bit of this in. It's chicken flavor, organic, so put this in here. See if that's enough. I've got 3 cups of beans, 4 cups of water. That's about, I think I need a little more. It's only about a ½ inch over the beans. I want to go about 1 inch. Or 2. So I like juice in it, a little bit of juice. I don't drain them. Put a little bit more of this in here too. Mix this up, like I said. 3 cups of beans, rinsed and cleaned. They're dry. Sauteed onions, garlic, and some chilies, serrano and jalapeno, because I like it spicy. I put a little bit of salt in the water. Not a lot because this has salt already. I don't want it too salty. First time cooking, so we'll see what happens. So let's see. This has to go on. Alright, let's go. Got it backwards. Silly me. First time using it, sorry. Alright. Let's cook this for about 50 minutes. Let's see, let's go to beans and chili and add more time. I'm going to go 50 minutes just to be safe because I'm not sure. First time cooking. Alright, let's see what happens here. Of course, I got it sealed already. Lid shut, sealed. Use the bean recipe. 50 minutes. It's preheating. So hopefully I did everything right. It's a pot of beans, man. How can you mess it up? So when I come back, I'll show you the results. We'll check it out together and see what happens. Alright, hopefully everything works out. Later.